In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Taobao Cart 2025, step by step. Let's start by opening your web browser and going to taobao.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can access your shopping cart. The site may display in Chinese by default, which is normal. If you prefer, you can use your browser's translation feature, but the key buttons we'll use are easy to spot even without translation. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner and click the shopping cart icon. It's labeled Go Wu Che, which means cart. That will take you to a page that lists everything you've added. Give the page a moment to load, especially if your cart is large or grouped by different shops. Before deleting anything, make sure you can see all items. Taobao often organizes your cart by store or category, and sometimes these sections are collapsed. Expand any collapsed groups so the full list is visible. This matters because the Select All option only works on items that are shown on the page. If you have multiple pages, scroll through and make sure everything you want to remove is displayed. Now, look for the Select All checkbox. You'll usually find it near the top of the item list, and it's labeled Quan Xuan, which means Select All. Click that checkbox to highlight every item in your cart. If there's anything you want to keep, simply uncheck that specific item before moving on. Taking a quick moment to review can save you from deleting something you still need. With everything selected, find the delete button. It's labeled Shan Chu, meaning delete, and it can appear either above your list of items or at the bottom of the cart page, depending on your screen size and layout. If you don't see it right away, try scrolling to the very top or bottom. Click delete when you're ready. A confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure you intend to remove the selected items. Click Kui Ding, which means confirm, or click Yes if your browser is showing translated text. After you confirm, the selected items are removed from your cart permanently. If anything still appears after a moment, refresh the page to update the view and check that those items weren't excluded from your selection or saved in a different section. And that's it. You've cleared your Taobao cart quickly and safely. Keep these labels in mind: Gu Wu Che for cart, Quan Xuan for select all, Shan Chu for delete, and Qding for confirm, and you'll be able to repeat the process anytime you need to clean up your cart.